Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locating the Firefox profile folder because that's where history lives. Open your profile path now. Once located, make a copy of the whole profile folder to an external drive or another folder so you can revert changes. Next, close Firefox completely. It must not run while you inspect files. Then check for places. SQLite and recent files in Session Store backups. These contain history and active tabs. If you see SQLite * or JSONals4, keep note of timestamps before proceeding. You'll now extract or repair the places. SQLite database because that's the actual history store. If the DB opens cleanly with an SQLite viewer, export the Moz places and Moz historyvisits tables. That gives you recoverable URLs and timestamps. If the file is corrupted, replace places. SQLite with a back or corrupt copy from the profile, or try recovering tables with SQLite 3. Dump and recreate the DB. Once you have a clean export, import it into a fresh places. SQLite in a test profile to verify results before overriding your live profile. Finally, close Firefox and replace the original places. SQLite with your repaired or newly built file. Make sure file permissions match the profile owner. Start Firefox and immediately check history and library for recovered entries. Use the search box and recent dates to confirm. If history doesn't appear, restart Firefox in safe mode to rule out extension interference, then recheck. If you encounter errors or missing entries, revert to the backup you made earlier and repeat the extraction with alternative tools. That's the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.